Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make round lollipops at home. It's a fun and rewarding process that results in delicious treats. First, let's get organized. You'll need a few key pieces of equipment, including a reliable candy thermometer and some round silicone molds. Make sure your workspace is prepped with parchment paper and have all your ingredients measured out and ready to go. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's create the perfect syrup base for our lollipops. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Stir these ingredients gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Then, without stirring, continue to cook the mixture until your candy thermometer reads precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This exact temperature is crucial for achieving that classic hard candy texture. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. This is where the magic of flavor and color comes in. Carefully and quickly stir in about 1 teaspoon of your favorite flavoring extract, like cherry or strawberry, along with a few drops of food coloring to achieve your desired hue. Remember, you need to work swiftly here, as the candy will start to cool and thicken very rapidly, making it harder to mix evenly. With your flavored and colored syrup ready, it's time to form your lollipops. Carefully pour the hot candy mixture into your prepared round silicone molds. As soon as you've poured, gently insert a lollipop stick into the center of each filled mold, giving it a slight twist to ensure it's fully coated. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Allow your lollipops to cool completely for at least 30 minutes or until they are firm, before carefully unwrapping and enjoying your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.